Good morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period and we are doing lesson number 4, the hidden treasure. In this chapter I have explained the whole story, then after that we have done read and understand. Now today in this video we will do question answer which you have to do in your copy and in a very neat and tidy way and submit it in your class group. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. Lesson number 4, the hidden treasure. In this chapter I have already explained you the story. Now today we will do question answer of this chapter. First of all, you have to mention the date on which you are doing the work. Then as you have written this heading or the name of the chapter and lesson number on the blank side of your copy, don't write it here. You have to write it on the blank side of a copy in a bold letter. Now answer the following question. Here you have to write the heading with black pen, question with black pen, answer with blue pen. Question number 1. What did the farmer's son like to do? In the story I have told you that the 3 sons of the farmer was very lazy and they don't want to do anything and enjoy their life without doing their any work. So the answer will be the farmer's son wanted to enjoy themselves without working. Then leave one line. Now second question. Second question is, what did the farmer tell his sons about the treasure? One day when the farmer was very ill, he called his son and he told him that he is going to die and but there was no money left after him. So but he had long ago he had hidden some treasure in the field, which that treasure is for them. So the answer will be the farmer told his sons that long ago he had hidden a treasure in one of his fields and that treasure is for his sons. Now leave one line. Then third question. Why did his 3 sons dig the fields? When their father told him that there was treasure in the field, so the 3 sons went out with their plow to dig the field to find out the treasure. The answer will be his 3 sons dig the fields to find the treasure. Again leave one line. Then fourth question. Did they find the treasure they were looking for? When the farmer told him that there is a treasure for them in the field, they dig the whole field but they couldn't find any treasure in the field. So the answer is no, they didn't find the treasure they were looking for. Now next question is, what was the real treasure the sons found? When the 3 sons plowed the field and didn't find any treasure, they thought that they should plant some seed in the field, and when they have sowed the seeds, and soon after that sometimes they got good crops which they harvested and they sold the crops and got a lot of money. That was the real treasure which they got, and that was the real treasure of their hard work. So the answer will be the real treasure the sons found was the fruit of hard work. The fruit of hard work which they got, that was the real treasure the sons found, and that was the real treasure which their father has told them. So these are the 5 question answer which you have to do in your copy in a very neat and tidy way. And after that you have to show your work in the class group, and in our next video we will do some more exercises. Thank you.